Hi there. We're about to shoot his first shotgun, double-barreled. This ought to be good. Just push him in there. Just push him in there. Yeah, they got to go flush with the end of the barrel. You see where the indentation is there? In the barrel?
Like that?
Is it all the way in?
I can't push it in anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, I see.
Snap it closed hard. No, you don't have to push the lever. It'll lock hard. Now, which trigger you got?
Back.
Okay, you got your safety off? Were you in your shoulder?
Yep.
Welcome to Shotgun World. Which trigger you got?
Back.
Okay, you got your safety off?